Are you free this evening?
Are you doing anything this weekend?
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
What are you doing later today?
Are you available after work?
Do you want to go for a coffee?
Do you want to grab something to eat?
Do you want to go for a walk?
Do you feel like going out tonight?
Would you like to join us?
Let's meet after work.
Let's go somewhere nice this weekend.
Let's plan something for Saturday.
Let's just relax and stay in.
Let's meet at the usual place.
That sounds like a great idea.
I'd love to. That sounds nice.
Sure, why not?
Yeah, I'm up for that.
Sounds good to me.
I'd love to, but I'm busy.
Sorry, I can't make it today.
Maybe another time?
I already have plans.
I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know.
What time works for you?
Where should we meet?
Let's meet around 6.
I'll text you later.
See you then.
Are you free this evening?
I think so. Why?
Do you want to go for a coffee after work?
That sounds like a nice idea.
Great. What time works for you?
Maybe around 6?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the usual place.
Sounds good.
Are you doing anything this weekend?
Not really. Why?
I was thinking we could go for a walk somewhere.
I'd love to. That sounds great.
Nice. Let's plan it properly later.
Sure. Just text me when you're free.
I will. See you later then.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.